Probably why I'm taking this right now.
And Amite, media partner, Manila Bulletin.
Dear God, we thank you today for Trumpet's Play Shop. May it forever be.
Hello and welcome to Trending Pinoy Celebrity. Mag-asawang Yasmin Curdy at Ray Soldevilla, proud sa kanilang panganay na anak na si Ayesha Zara. Dumalo ang mga ito sa Play Shop, upang panoorin ang performance ni Ayesha sa pag-hosting. Napakagaling naman talaga nito at hindi mahiyain, namana sa kanyang nanay. Ito ang kabuuan ng kanyang nakakatuwang video.
My dream, actually I have a lot. But maybe in the future, I want to become a host. Probably why I'm taking this right now.
And Amite, media partner, Manila Bulletin.
Dear God, we thank you today for Trumpet's Play Shop. May it forever be in its golden days, always reaching new heights, achieving new goals, and helping young people discover their giftings from you. By your grace, may all things go smoothly as we gather for this showcase. Hi everyone, my name is Ayesha. I'm 11 years old and my superpower is adaptability. Hi everyone, welcome to Voices in Vogue. I'm Ayesha with my co-host, Sophia. Hello ladies and gentlemen. And Nisha. Hello. So mga parents, kamusta na kayong lahat? I hope you all stayed safe during the storm a few days ago. Grabe yung ulan, no? I know. Yeah, some students joined 2 classes. And I heard a few joined 3 classes. Wow. And in spite of the recent storm, we've been having lots of fun learning and practicing for this showcase. We have worked really, really hard and we can't wait to show you parents what we've got. I'll answer that first. I use my voice to communicate my ideas. So let's give a big round of applause as we welcome the modeling class of Trumpet's Play Shop 2024 in Kaleidoscope Colors! Welcome back, Yanni. His favorite subjects are nature and robotics. And here's Sabi. The science buff loves the challenge of experiments. Hi there, Athena. Science is her favorite subject because it opens up limitless possibilities. A big hand for Chanel. This budding writer loves to compose stories. Wow, it's Sophia Isabel. This girl relaxes by making her very own artwork. Jana in the spotlight. Well, speaking of positive things, why don't we talk about dreams? My dream, actually I have a lot. But maybe in the future, I want to become a host. Probably why I'm taking this right now.